Hello folks, James Power here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning 2018 BMW 3 Series 330e M Sport Performance Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this Sophisto grey metallic paint finish with the BMW LED front lights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front parking sensors. And since this is an M Sport, you have the M Sport aerodynamic body kit. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging, the high black gloss trim finish around the windows, the eDrive badging on the side. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 330e badging, the rear LED taillights, the twin exhausts, and the rear parking sensor to give you that complete 360-degree parking view. You also have the automatic trunk, just a simple click the key fob and she pops right open, and the collapsible rear seats to give you even more trunk space. We have the charging wire in there as well, since this is a hybrid. Now let's take a look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 330e. Now folks, so we're inside. You can see the multifunctional BMW M Sport paddle shift steering wheel with controls such as a speed limiter, cruise control, voice control. You can also control the different medias throughout the radio with volume, accept and decline phone calls. You have the BMW teleservice with features such as media, enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, sat-nav navigation, connective drive, the BMW My Vehicle. You have the BMW iDrive system that allows you to quickly access these features. You have the automatic transmission, the 360-degree parking sensors. The interior comes in a black Dakota leather, surrounded by a blue M Sport trim alongside a platinum trim finish. Fully electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. You have heated seats, the keyless push button start ignition, the automatic transmission, the manual handbrake, the Sports Comfort, Sports Plus mode, and an Eco Pro mode. You have the BMW SOS service system, air conditioning, and many other extras. Now folks, like I said, this was just a quick look around this absolutely stunning 2018 BMW 3 Series 330e M Sport Performance Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. My name is James Power. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.